What's up guys, Trainer-Toolkit here, back again with another Pokemon trading card game unboxing. Today we have the Trainer Toolbox, everything to create a powerful deck. Santa brought this me for Christmas, so I thought, why not open it also on video. So unfortunately I had to do the work, I didn't have a lot of time to make new videos, but now I quit my job and have more time to make videos again. So I'll take off the plastic wrap and then let's get right into this box. Alright, the plastic wrap is off and let's open the box. Okay, it's like a little cartoon wrap with description about what's inside, a little drawing, a lot of stuff. I'll put it to the side. Let's get into it. The Trainer-Toolkit. Okay, so see, there is quite some stuff here. Let's start with this. We have dice. Then we have, this one is way nicer than the little, than those cartoon ones. But those wooden ones that come with, not the wooden ones, but the paper ones that come with. These are like plastic. Very nice. Then we have some booster packs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then what else do we have here? Game rules. Here, I will need this one. This is a tutorial how to create a deck. That's epic. It's really epic. Okay, let's go further. We have here 2. These are like sleeves, I think. Yeah, these are sleeves for the cards, protect them, very nice. Here we have, okay, then GX, nice. A code for the online game, the code. Oh, and I guess these are the energy cards. I move here to a brighter place to show the cards off. Okay, and here's a little bit more light, but less space. We don't need so much space to take a look at these cards. So let's open it up. What do we get here? Put the plastic out of the way. Okay, to the then GXs. Cute tag team. Oh, and I also read on the box there are like special versions of these team cards. Item cards. Pretty epic, I must say. Reset stamp. Oops. Mary. Between energy, I had this one. Sad that I left all my Pokemon cards in Munich. Right now I'm at my family's house for some time, so I can't like build a super deck because all my collection is not here, but still it's very nice to have. Yeah, here are like trainer cards, a lot of trainer cards. And these 2 special ones. Static Shock. Let's check out the sleeves. I think the sleeves are pretty nice. Have like nice rainbow effect with the different types. I really like it. So let's get it open. I put the GXs in the sleeves. 1. I've never actually had any of those. Never had any of these. Nice 1. And then the backs, the sleeve. I must say this is very nice. Let's put in the other one also. Okay. Ah, sweet. Okay. Let's also take a closer look at these damage counters. These burn and poison indicators. Rather, yet they are made of plastic, like, very nice. 109. L19, okay. So open these guys. Okay. Ah, my light is gone. Okay, my light is back. Just like very nice dice. It's like so glittery. I guess it's a little bit. Oh, it's also a little bit see-through. Come on, focus. And I'll turn on the flash. Yeah, there are also a lot of energy cards here. Let's open this one too. Just why not if we are already opening everything. Let's get this open too. Come on. Is this the biggest mistake of 2020 that I have made? Perhaps. I mean, like, opening right now, because you can't do very much with these cards now, but still. Okay. Yeah, just... Why is it a shuffle, though? I thought it would have made more sense, like there's a staple of dark, then staple of lighting, staple of grass, staple of fire energy, but... Oh well, yeah, it's just a lot of energy. That's it. That's actually something that I needed for my collection. Yeah. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video and stay subscribed to see more videos soon. Bye! Okay, so I unboxed the booster packs and just want to get some nice pulls, want to just show them off. I sleeved this Pikachu just because I thought it's cute. Here I also have two pretty nice pulls. I'll go at first through the normal ones, Titang, Magmar. Yeah, these are cards are in German, but it's to be expected in Germany. I guess from first booster pack, and from another one. Damn, these new Pokémon's getting weird. Shiny one, not shiny, the hollow. Let's put it to the side. Also here some. I guess this is the Alolan version. This one is cute. Okay, and now the good pulls that I got. Here on this full art, pretty nice. A nice effect. Zordin. And the second pull, Latias GX. It's actually the second legendary Pokemon card I have. I also somewhere have a Mew I got like 10 years ago from a random booster pack in Spain. Yeah, this is my second legendary card. I just wanted to quickly show these pulls off.